Today we delve into the intricate world of our liver and a condition that affects millions worldwide, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease or NAFLD. It's a silent epidemic often unnoticed until it's too late. NAFLD is characterized by the accumulation of fat in liver cells in individuals who consume little or no alcohol. It's the most common chronic liver condition in the Western world, yet many remain unaware of its presence and impact. But what causes NAFLD? The mechanisms are complex and multifactorial. At its core, NAFLD is a result of metabolic dysregulation. This includes insulin resistance, where our body cells do not respond effectively to insulin, leading to higher blood sugar and fat levels. Insulin resistance is a key player in NAFLD. It disrupts not just the glucose metabolism but also how our liver processes and stores fats. This can lead to an excess of free fatty acids in the liver, which are then stored as triglycerides, contributing to fatty liver. Another contributing factor is oxidative stress. This occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in our body, leading to liver cell damage and inflammation. The multiple hit hypothesis suggests that several factors including genetics, diet and lifestyle strike in succession to initiate and drive the progression of NAFLD. Certain gene variants can predispose individuals to NAFLD. These genes may affect fat distribution, insulin sensitivity, and even how our bodies respond to dietary fats. It starts with the first hit, an accumulation of fat in the liver, then additional hits like oxidative stress, hormones from adipose tissue, and inflammatory cytokines contribute to liver inflammation and fibrosis. Symptoms of NAFLD can be subtle like fatigue and abdominal discomfort. However, as the disease progresses, symptoms like jaundice, ascites, and even liver failure can occur. Diagnosis often involves blood tests, imaging, and sometimes a liver biopsy. NAFLD, it means non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, can progress to a more severe form called non-alcoholic steatohepatitis or NASH, NASH, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, where inflammation and liver cell damage occurs. If unchecked, this can lead to cirrhosis, which is fibrosis of the liver, or liver failure, or even liver cancer. While there's no specific medication for NAFLD, lifestyle changes can have a profound impact. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, along with regular exercise, can reverse the effects of NAFLD. The journey to a healthier liver is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making sustainable changes that not only improve liver health but enhance overall well-being. Understanding NAFLD is the first step toward change. By recognizing the causes, symptoms, and mechanisms behind this condition, we empower ourselves to take action and nurture our liver, the powerhouse of detoxification. If you love this video, please subscribe, like, and comment on the comment section below. Thank you so much.